What's up guys, Mano here and welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we'll be doing a quick how-to. We'll be installing these bags on the 2002 Honda VTX1800. Alright, now the installation of the saddlebags is pretty straightforward. I've already installed the other side, so this one I was going to show you how to do so on the right side. So here's a saddlebag for that side. These bags are made by US Saddlebag Co. You can see here from the inside. There. American Eagle, freedom. Woo! Anyway, if you're wondering why these bags are a bit beat up, because these are the bags that were on the VTX when I crashed this. And somehow, some guy nearby, managed to fix it, stitch it up. I was thinking of going for hard saddlebags, but I decided to screw that. I'm gonna reuse this because this is pretty, it's still okay. So anywho, yeah. So the installation is gonna be very straightforward. It's just a matter of removing two bolts from the fender and the subframe. I'll show you. We'll be removing these bolts and that one, right? And that should line up on this one. Look at that. Just like that, over there. Now, please take note that the VTX1800 has a specific length for the bolts from here to here. This saddlebag bracket is not for the VTX. This is actually from my 2005 Yamaha V-Star 1100 Classic, which I modified to fit. Now, if you do get yourself a pair of US Saddlebag Co. These bags, I'm sure the bracket is going to be very specific for yours. What I did was, I had to Dremel this part over here, the one that goes over here, and use longer bolts. Yeah, I do like to point out that the bolts on this bike are not stock. I had these changed. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to install these. Alright, first step, remove these bolts. Okay, so the bracket is installed. Make sure it's tight. Yeah, this is a long one. This is a long bolt with a nut at the back. And yeah, this is a shorter one. This bolt actually came from this side. I just transferred it here. Okay. Now we're going to install the bag. Now this is the back side of the bag. See this part over here? This hooks on to this part of the bracket over here, the lower part. And these are clips, twist clips. I'm not sure if that's what you call them. They go straight to those holes over there. It goes straight to the holes over here. There you have it. Yeah, it's installed. Yeah, leather saddlebags always look good on a cruiser. Yeah, don't put any other kind of saddlebag or pannier on a cruiser. No, that is not leather. You can go with plastic, but never go with those tin can that you see on those GS or adventure bikes. They will never work, I tell you. They will never complement the looks of a cruiser. Now I'm going to show you the inside of the bag for the features. It's got these buckles over here, but those are not really that. It comes with these clips. That. And it's waterproof, by the way. So this is a zipper over here by YKK, and you got these mounting points for your bungee cord or your bungee strap, and the inside is pretty big. Yeah, sorry about the dirt. Oh yeah, hey, there's candy. Fuck. Still empty. Anyway, you got a pouch here to put your documents and stuff like that, and your keys. There you go. See how big that is? That's my hand. You can put your hat or your clothes for a trip. That's it. We're at this point, we're done with the brackets, I'm gonna install the passenger seat of the VTX. All you need is an Allen key. Not sure what size, you know, I just do this by hand, by feelings. So, you know, all you have to do is remove these bolts, like so. Ah, too hard. Like so. Right there. Removed. All you have to do is just pick this up, just like that. And to install the passenger seat, we have to remove these 10mm bolts. Well, I forgot to tighten these up. But anyway, yeah, all you have to do is just remove these. And then here's the rear passenger seat over here. And it comes with the brackets for the main seat. That's where the bolts go. Okay, so some passenger seats are bolted onto the main seat, as you can see here. It's just a matter of putting this back on the bike. Now, you have to take note that the passenger seat has a bracket also, right here. It goes here, right? So you have to remove this. This is not OEM, by the way. So this is a fancy Allen bolt. This is a release system for the windshield that this bike used to have. Oh shit, that's really rusty. Yeah, clean it up. There you go. All right, let's put the seat. There you have it. The VTX is complete. Bags are installed. Passenger seat is right there, so I can take the old lady out for a ride. All right. This side. Yep. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. That's just a quick install. I didn't have anything lined up for this Wednesday's video, but stay tuned for this Sunday's video because I will be talking about this bike, finally. Yeah. See you next time. Bye.